In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower iPhone screen brightness below minimum. Alright, so I'm starting here on my iPhone, and the first thing we're going to do is open the Settings app. So I'll just tap on Settings to bring up the main settings screen. Once it opens, you'll see the usual list of options for different features on your device. From here, we're going to scroll down until we find accessibility. So I'm just moving down the list a little bit. And there it is. Go ahead and tap on accessibility to open that section. Now that we're inside the accessibility settings, we're going to scroll down toward the bottom of the page. There are quite a few options here, so I'm just slowly moving down until we reach the lower part of the screen. As you keep scrolling, you should eventually see the option called Accessibility Shortcut. Once you find Accessibility Shortcut, go ahead and tap on it. Alright, now we're inside the Accessibility Shortcut settings. This section lets you choose features that can be quickly turned on or off using a shortcut on your iPhone. What we want to do here is enable the option called Reduce White Point. So just look through the list of available shortcuts, and once you see Reduce White Point, go ahead and tap on it to toggle it on. When it's selected, that means the feature is now assigned to your accessibility shortcut. Once that's enabled, you can quickly activate it using the power button. So from this point on, whenever you press the power button 3 times in a row, your iPhone will trigger the Reduce White Point feature. When Reduce White Point is turned on, it lowers the intensity of bright colors on the screen, which effectively makes the display appear dimmer than the normal minimum brightness level. And if you ever want to turn it off again, you can simply press the power button 3 times once more. Doing the triple press again will disable the Reduce White Point feature and return your screen to its normal brightness behavior. So this gives you a quick way to make your screen even dimmer than the standard brightness slider allows, which can be really helpful when using your phone in very dark environments. And that's basically it. You open Settings, go into Accessibility, scroll down to Accessibility Shortcut and enable Reduce White Point so you can toggle it on or off by pressing the power button 3 times. So that's how you lower iPhone screen brightness below the normal minimum level.